Welcome back to Saas Pro, your go-to spot for tech tips that actually make your life easier. Today we're diving into the 7 annoying Windows 11 features you need to disable now to help you reclaim control of your PC experience. If Windows 11 has been bugging you with features you didn't ask for, this video is your fix. Now let's get started. Number 1. Disable snap layouts. Snap layouts can be helpful for multitasking, but they often interfere when you're simply trying to move windows around. Disabling this feature removes the auto-snapping behavior and gives you smoother control over your workspace. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Start icon on your Windows 11 taskbar to open the Start menu. Step 2. Select Settings. If you don't see it, type Settings in the search bar and click the top result. Step 3. In the Settings window, click System from the left-hand menu. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Multitasking. Step 5. At the top, you'll see the Snap Windows toggle. Turn it off to disable snap layouts. Step 6. Once disabled, hovering over the full screen icon won't show snap templates, and dragging windows won't trigger auto-snapping. And that's it. 1 annoying feature down, 6 more to go. If this helped, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more smart tweaks, and stay tuned for the rest of the list. Your smoother Windows 11 experience starts here. Number 2. Turn off. Suggested content in Start. The Start menu's recommended section often clutters your workspace with suggestions you don't need. Disabling it helps streamline your Start menu and keeps things focused on what you actually use. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click the Windows 11 Start menu icon to open the main menu. Step 2. Select Settings from the menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Personalization. Step 4. From the right-hand side, click on Start. Step 5. Turn off Show recently added apps. Step 6. Turn off Show most used apps. Step 7. Turn off Show recently opened items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer. Boom! Your Start menu is now cleaner and distraction-free. If you're loving these tweaks, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart Windows tips, and keep your system running smooth with Saas Pro. Number 3. Disable transparency effects. Transparency effects in Windows 11 can look sleek, but they often slow down performance and distract from clarity. Turning them off gives your system a cleaner, faster feel. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Personalization. Step 3. Under Personalization, select Colors. Step 4. Toggle off the switch for transparency effects. You'll see the preview update instantly to reflect the change. Step 5. For an alternative method, go back to the main settings page and click on Accessibility. Step 6. Select Visual Effects, then turn off the Transparency Effects toggle here as well. And just like that, your desktop is sharper and snappier. And keep crushing your Windows experience. Number 4. Disable Widgets panel. The Widgets panel in Windows 11 can feel cluttered and unnecessary, especially if you never use it. Removing it frees up space on your taskbar and keeps your desktop cleaner. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. Step 2. In the left-hand menu, click on Personalization. Step 3. Select Taskbar from the options on the right. Step 4. Find the toggle switch for Widgets and turn it off. The widget icon will instantly disappear from your taskbar. Just like that, your taskbar looks cleaner and feels more focused. Keep going. We're just getting started with optimizing your Windows 11 experience. Number 5. Turn off automatic app updates. Automatic app updates in the Microsoft Store can consume bandwidth and install changes you didn't ask for. Disabling them gives you full control over when and what gets updated. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. Step 2. If it's not pinned, type Microsoft Store in the search bar and select it from the results. Step 3. In the Store window, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Under App Updates, toggle off the switch for automatic downloads and installs. And just like that, your apps won't update behind your back. Stay tuned. More smart Windows 11 fixes are coming your way. Number 6. Disable ads in File Explorer. Windows 11 can sneak in promotional banners inside File Explorer, pushing services like OneDrive. Turning these off gives you a cleaner, distraction-free workspace and a more professional feel. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open File Explorer by pressing the Start key and the letter E together. Step 2. Click the three dots at the top of the File Explorer window and select Options. Step 3. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Step 4. Scroll down until you find Show Sync Provider Notifications. Step 5. Uncheck that box, then click Apply and OK to confirm. And just like that, those sneaky ads are gone. Let's keep rolling. Your Windows 11 cleanup mission is almost complete. Number 7. Disable background apps running. Background apps can quietly drain your system resources and battery life without you even noticing. Disabling them helps boost performance and gives you more control over what runs behind the scenes. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click the Windows Start button and open Settings. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Apps from the left-hand menu. Step 3. At the top, select either Apps and Features or Installed Apps, depending on your version. Step 4. Scroll through your app list and click the three dots next to an app you want to manage. Step 5. If available, select Advanced Options. Step 6. Scroll down to Background App Permissions and choose Never to prevent it from running in the background. Step 7. Repeat this process for any other apps you want to restrict. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Saas Beast Pro for more smart tweaks and smoother tech days ahead. Catch you in the next one.